everyone, I'm in France right now. I'm by a railway crossing. There'll be a train to Tours from Saumur, so that's not far from where I'm staying. And there'll be a train coming any minute now, so like 5-10 minutes. So see you when the train comes. Also to point out, there's only probably a three coach train, double decker in France, yeah. So hopefully you enjoy it. I don't know if I'm wrong or not, but I think all French passenger trains are actually electricated. Put in the comments if I'm right or wrong. Yep, see ya. Here comes the train. The trains drive on the left, like in England for some reason, not on the right, like the cars do. When I get home, I've recorded some on my camera, which my mum's recording over there. Here it comes, here it comes. Yeah, so that was the train. Hope you enjoy. Bye! I didn't see what time the train was going from Tours to Saumur. That wasn't the end of the video. Another train. Train slowing down to go into Saumur. So that was that crossing. The next video will be Tuesday, maybe, I don't know yet. Hopefully I am just doing a running session on my old temporary layout, and on Thursday I'll probably do another running session, and Saturday as well, so it might be a bit boring for the few next videos, but at least I keep uploading them. So, hope you see you soon back in England. Bye!